According to national estimates, there are more than 15,000 dryer fires in this country every year, causing 15 deaths and nearly $100 million in damages.
We had a house fire, a dryer fire.
The dryer caught fire. By the time firefighters arrived, their house was an inferno with thick black smoke pouring from every window.
Fire department was able to put it out without a lot of cosmetic damage, but
we lost everything, absolutely everything.
I couldn't believe it. I couldn't imagine that could cause fire.